Understanding Emergency Sirens, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, emergency siren. This is a common phrase that you might encounter in everyday life, especially in news or safety instructions. So, let's dive in and learn more about it. An emergency siren is a loud, distinctive sound used as a signal or warning in emergency situations. It's typically used by emergency services like fire departments, police, and ambulances. When you hear it, it usually means that these services are responding to an urgent situation and require a clear path or attention. There are different types of sirens for various emergencies. For example, a fire truck siren might sound different from a police car siren. In some countries, there are specific sirens for natural disasters like tornadoes or tsunamis. Understanding these differences can be important for recognizing the type of emergency occurring. Emergency sirens play a crucial role in public safety. They alert people to potential dangers and signal them to make way for emergency vehicles. In many places, it's legally required to move aside or stop when you hear an emergency siren. This helps emergency responders reach the scene quickly and save lives. It's interesting to note that sirens can sound different in various countries. This section can include a comparison of siren sounds from around the world, highlighting how cultural differences influence emergency response protocols. That's all for our lesson on emergency sirens. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand this important aspect of English vocabulary related to safety and emergency services. Remember, being aware of these sounds and their meanings can be vital in an emergency. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English learning content.